Hey there, friends. We just checked into our room. The Henderson invited us out, and we were so fortunate to be able to bring Luna and Michelle's parents with us to enjoy it. So we're going to give you guys a quick little room tour before we get ready and go head off to dinner.
This is a parkside room. We're in a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, bunk beds, full kitchen, and we've got a lazy river view.
So coming right in off the street, the beach is right down there. Nice entryway. As soon as you come in, you got a nice set of bunk beds. Kiddos. Stacked washer and dryer. And here's the second bedroom. This is actually the bedroom we'll be staying in. We gave Michelle's parents the suite. Nice recessed ceiling up there. Full closet, TV, dresser. This is the second bathroom. Nice wide countertops. Little Keurig coffee maker. Some equipment in there. Nice wide farm sink. Glass stovetop. These are quartz countertops. Tile backsplash. And I mean, these are fully equipped. All the dishes. Let's see what else they got in here. They even have a blender. You can hear Bluey going on in the background there. All the pans you need. Cutting boards. Utensils. Beautiful living space, nice and wide open, wine glasses. Didn't even get a chance to look in here yet. Oh, just some empty storage. Everybody say hi. Hi. Oh, there he is, setting the standard for all dads. This little nautical themed tic-tac-toe. Really good sized dining table, looking out over the lazy river and the pool area. We're on the first floor. We'll walk out there in just a minute. And then this is the master. Beautiful big king size bed, again with the recessed ceiling. Nice floor to ceiling mirror right here. Again, nice closet. Look at that handsome fellow over there. So a little pocket door for the potty. Big walk-in shower, seamless glass doors. Double vanity. Really, really nice. Very grateful to be staying here. So we'll go step outside. Outdoor seating area. A little additional seating right here, and this little gate just swings open. A little ramp or stairwell right down here to the pool. It's a little cloudy today. We got some weather on the way, but they got a splash pad for the kids. There's a lazy river, outdoor bar and grill, a little walkover going over the pool, and then the zero entry pool right here itself. All heated, so we got people in there right now. And then further up there is an adults-only pool. They got a bocce court. There's just a lot of amenities here. And then just right through a gate back there is the beach, the Gulf of Mexico.